Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine for muscle gain. Creatine is a natural compound stored in your muscles, playing a crucial role in energy production during high-intensity activities. By increasing your creatine stores, you can enhance your body's ability to perform short bursts of powerful movements, leading to better workouts and ultimately, more muscle growth. It's a well-researched supplement. To quickly maximize your muscle creatine levels, consider a loading phase. This involves taking about 20 grams of creatine per day, typically divided into 4 5-gram doses, spread throughout the day. This phase usually lasts for 5 to 7 days. The goal is to rapidly fill your muscle cells with creatine, preparing them for enhanced performance and growth. Once your loading phase is complete, you'll transition to a maintenance phase. This typically involves taking 3 to 5 grams of creatine daily to keep your muscle stores saturated. Consistency is more important than timing. Ensure you take your daily dose, whether it's with a meal or around your workout. This steady intake supports continuous muscle performance and growth. Creatine offers impressive benefits, including enhanced muscle growth, increased strength, and improved overall exercise performance. It's one of the most researched and effective supplements available, generally considered safe for healthy individuals when used correctly. Remember to stay hydrated, especially when supplementing. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic deal on a water bottle and other exclusive offers we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.